Yangena. Qina Saka Qina. Mandithathe elithuba.
Let me take this opportunity
And greet our father, the president, the chief apostle, Ungcicane. As I greet you, Tata, I am reminded of a scripture about uDavide xa ejongene noGoliath.
I'm reminded of a scripture when David faced Goliath.
uDavide zange amthandazele uGoliath.
David never prayed for Goliath.
uGoliath akayontanga yothandazelwa.
Goliath was not suitable to be prayed for.
uGoliath uyintanga yobulawa qha.
Goliath deserved killing.
And inye imini
There is only one day
apho sizojongana noGoliath
on which we'll be faced with Goliath
sidibanise nelitye libe yi-1
and make him meet with
awe
us
phantsi.
and he will fall down.
Yile 4 kaNovemba.
That is the 4th of November.
Ndicela ubulisa zonke iikumkani neenkosi.
I'd like to greet all kings and chiefs
Ndibulise oondlonkulu konke.
and greet all the queens
Ndibulise zonke izikhaza nomnyawonke abalapha.
and greet all servants and ladies present here.
Wamazenzeli noBeneni zabaphethelisi. Our duty today as employees of the ATM deployed to the National Parliament, it is to account for the work that we've been doing in Parliament. I will touch base on a few issues in the spirit of accounting, therefore. Firstly, currently in Parliament now, we are having the
Your girl, Princess Damini, and I'm from Durban, North Coast. In November 2026, make sure to vote for ATM. Peace in our land, peace in our lifetime.
Vote ATM.
Peace in our land, peace in our lifetime.
One God, one human race.
Peace in our land. I'm voting ATM. ATM. What the
Vote
fuck?
ATM!
Vote ATM! Yes.
Ja, ik heet het.
in Germany.
Of political participation. ATM shall therefore utilize digital communication platforms to engage youth organizations and student movements, promote youth leadership development programs, and address issues affecting young citizens.